Alright guys, today we're talking about the 2014 AMC10A number 23. A rectangular piece of paper whose length is 3 times the width as area A. So we can label this as X and this is X root 3. The paper is divided into 3 equal sections along the opposite lengths, and then a dotted line is drawn from the first divider to the second divider on the opposite side, it shows. Here is then folded flat along this dotted line to create a new shape with area B. What is the ratio of B to A? So what we have right now is this graph, and we can replicate this graph. So for example, when you fold a piece of paper across this line, this figure here is reflected into this area. So if we imagine a line reflection, let's say this area is D. So you have to reflect it such that it's reflected on this side, and we can kind of tilt your head and see that it's kind of like what I'm showing here. Sorry for the curve line. Like that, where this is D, and you can kind of tilt your head and see it. So how do we find this area? Well, you can draw these two lines down, and these are 30, 60, 90 triangles, because these two are the same length. These are 30, 60, 90 triangles. Anyway, so the area we are trying to find is this. This is the shape of area B. So how do we find this? Well, we can divide this into 4 congruent triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 4 of these have equal area. So let's say the blue area. So then we can express B as equals 4 times the area of C. Now let's see. So now let's see the original area. So pretty much the original area can be divided into these 3 small squares. The original area is 3 of these squares. 1, 2, 3. Each one can be split into 2 triangles. So 3 times 2 is 6. So the area of A is 6 times the area of C. So we got the equation B over A is equal to 4C over 6C. And that equates to 2 over 3. And that is your answer.